some more.
Now let me talk about the way that Stephanie's petting, and she's a groomer, and so it's not surprising that she's doing what she's doing, but it's also really, really awesome because one of the things I talk about in T-Talent and T-Touch is what we call Noah's March. And I'm going to lead you through an experiential just so you get an experience of what this is like yourselves in a little bit. And it is stroking, not just petting, right? How many of us just love to pet the dogs, cats, head and neck, or they don't want you to pet them back here, right? Right? There's reasons for that, right? And when we do that stroking, we stroke the ears, and we stroke down the body, stroke the length of their back, right? Think about all the whole central nervous system, all the nerves go down through the spine, and all the nerves go out, and work with all of the muscles and all of the organs in the whole system, right? So just by stroking, you're helping to open that up, and you're saying to the system, you're taking all this beautiful matter, right? And you're opening that system, and by stroking all the way down to the toes, to the paws, if your dog or cat allows you to do that, you're also saying, hey, you can come all the way down into your feet, too. And it's connected from your head, that's connected through your back, that's connected all the way down through your legs. So focus, coordination, so you're combining with that one simple, with a petting and those strokes, and Valerie, you're combining three super, super simple things together that can make a huge difference. So, let's show a little bit of how we can do a spritzer. Now the spritzers that I would probably tend to use with her are being passed around, but that's okay. So I use thieves a lot with the animals and in the house, right? I love thieves, right? It smells great, it's fresh, but it also has all those great properties that are balancing and supportive of the immune system.
It's got 100% grain alcohol in it.
And when I do spritzers with animals, I don't go like that, because I don't think that it's a pleasant experience if I'm going to spritz right on their body, okay? If you think about spritzing for yourself, are you going to, well, you might, but you might not just go right, they're way more sensitive. It feels a little funny. I might, and it's strong. So for the animals, especially because these has closed hot cinnamon in it, which tend to be hot and can be a little bit agitating to the respiratory tract, I'm going to spritz them above, I would spritz me maybe here, and so it's literally like a light mist that comes down, okay? And I'm not using thieves at this moment for a particular reason to fix anything with this dog. This is just I want to do a demo, but you never know when you use an oil what's going to happen and how it might be helpful. Or you could do this on your palm. So the other thing about you working on somebody else's animal, right? I'm thinking your downline, is you never know how an animal's going to be, right? So I let somebody who this dog knows first do the introductions. And now that I see that Susie's more comfortable, I can put my hand on her. Before she was just sort of I'm not so sure. One of my favorite ways, I've got a little raindrop. So I put together a mix of raindrop essential oils, 4 drops of oregano, thyme, marjoram, basil, wintergreen, peppermint, all the oils in the raindrop kit together, and I mix it in a empty 15 milliliter bottle, and I put She's a little bit less comfortable here. Here we go. So I slowed my touch down, and I'm breathing. And I would do that. So it's a blend, right, diluted, and then I can put it down along her knee areas, which is on the right side a little bit warm, and go all the way down to her toes, where she's now tolerating more. And because there's going to be a lot of compensation up in her front end, you know, like putting more weight in her front end, because she's not able to use her knees as much, I want to make sure I get her shoulders. And her right shoulder, the muscles on her right shoulder are tighter than her left. So there's often a diagonal compensation. It's just things that I notice. And those muscles, just by doing this tiny little bit, are softening.